Trespass is the wrongful interference with the possession of property. You should think, instead of thinking of someone just wandering onto someone's land, which is a trespass, but think about a neighbour actually building a property on your land. There are permanent trespass and temporary trespass. And there are three elements looking at whether the trespass is permanent or temporary. The indefiniteness of the trespass, whether it's able to remove or abate easily, and which party, the plaintiff or the defendant, is seeking to determine the rights and bring the case to court. This is important because it can have an effect on the statute of limitations defence. A temporary trespass essentially is considered to restart every day, and so the statute of limitations will never run on a temporary trespass, whereas permanent trespass is subject to the statute of limitations, and it starts to run at the tort or when the property owner knew or should have known of the trespass. The legal remedies in a trespass case, this is a tort, so the special, general, nominal and punitive damages are available. The common remedy is a forced sale for permanent. If someone builds property, their house on your land, essentially it's a permanent trespass. It's not easily removed, although an ejectment action could be issued, as we'll see later, to remove the property. But the alternative could be a forced sale, where the trespasser is forced to buy the land from the property owner. Emotional distress is recoverable as a special damage. Generally, these damages are calculated in the reduction in the fair market value or the cost of restoring if a forced sale is not triggered. The equitable remedies are available only for temporary trespass, and they include an injunction, obviously barring future trespass, and in these equity defences, remedies, the equitable defences of laches, statute of limitations, etc., all apply. Ejectment is a legal remedy that follows a full trial on the merits. It's enforced by the sheriff. You should think of the sheriff tearing down the trespassing property. This is often impractical. The sheriff often returns back to the court stating that this remedy is impractical. He doesn't have the resources, the ability to tear down the offending trespassing property. And so in this case, the legal remedy is considered inadequate and an injunction is considered necessary. So the injunction, as opposed to an ejectment, is an equitable remedy. The four factors are assessed, such as the balance of hardships, the public interests, and so on. And like all injunctions, it's enforced by the contempt power of the court.